Okay, this video I'm actually producing first thing in my morning, and it gave me an idea to probably chat a little bit about what your morning routine is, or maybe you have an overnight job and you don't get up till noon or maybe 5 at night, but I think you guys know what I mean. What do you do the first half hour or hour of your new day, whenever that might be? I know that all of us have a different life. In my case, I don't have the family and the wife and kids up at 6 and the dog barking and the white picket fence outside, where obviously the first thing you do when you get up is probably get your kids ready for school, or maybe, I don't know, make breakfast or who knows what. But as far as just you, do you have a routine when you get up? Do you stretch a little bit? Do you lay in bed and just kind of check your emails or texts? Is there anything interesting? And that can be important. You might be a business person where you really do have to check to see how numbers are. Maybe you're a stockbroker. Maybe you're a news broadcaster and you want to know what's the latest. Is there a bombing? Is there something crazy going on? What's Donald Trump doing? Everybody has a different life. But I think what I mean is when you get up, do you have at least a half hour, maybe even 20 minutes just by yourself? And I know that sounds really short, but some of my friends, their lives are so busy that when they get up, their children and their families, they take over. I really don't think they have a lot of time for themselves. And it kind of scares me and bums me out. And maybe I'm overreacting, but I'm like, oh my God, when they get up, their whole entire day is consumed by other people. And I hope that those people consuming my friend's life appreciates that. But I guess this video is for somebody that might have just 15 minutes or maybe a whole hour to themselves where they can relax, stretch, maybe make coffee. That's one thing I like to do. I do my coffee in the morning. It makes me feel good. I do basic stretches. I don't do stretches like some yoga maniac, but I do basic stretches that definitely make my legs and my hips and my back, and I can feel I'm feel kind of warmed up a little bit. And coffee, it's not that it wakes me up. It turns me into a smartass. Maybe it is the coffee. I do enjoy the LiveGood, not to promote LiveGood so much during this video, but I do enjoy the LiveGood coffee. But then again, I enjoy Folgers with honey nut, or no, what's it called? Hazelnut and French vanilla. I love all the flavored coffees too. Those are good. One thing I'm getting real good at is I just get like a little piece of notes. This isn't that little, but I do like Post-it notes too. But I always, usually before I go to bed, I write down a list of what I absolutely want to accomplish, either first thing in the morning or just for the day. Okay? And today I've got to go get a bunch of stickers for license plates. So Val, if you're watching this, I got to go visit my friend Val. Then I got to go pay for all my storage units where I put a bunch of stuff that I should probably sell. I got to go pay that. And then I got to go do some other things. And it's nice to have like a little list of to-dos. What do I do? And should I cross them off today? Are they a priority or not? When it comes down to business with LiveGood, if you are really seeking a way to earn money at home or have a home-based business, if you've got just a basic apartment or a basic home, or if you've got a fabulous home with a massive family, there is so many distractions of your kids walking in asking for something, maybe your husband or wife coming in going, hey, should we go to dinner, or should we take out and treat the kids to our favorite meal? Or is there Lego kits that you want to build? Is there Netflix on the side screen like I have right here? I've got 3 screens in front of me like the space shuttle cockpit. And one screen I can easily put the news or Netflix, or maybe, since I do a lot of YouTube, there's always a fun YouTube video to watch that's funny, interesting. And what I'm addicted to on YouTube is information. How to do this, how to do that, how to get your mind in a certain way, how to get people to visit you on TikTok. I mean, there's so much cool stuff to do when you got a little bit of time on your hands. But if you can just slice 15 minutes, 20 minutes to relax a little bit, maybe stretch, get yourself in a little bit of a better mood. Sometimes when I get up, I'm thinking a lot. And it might appear that I'm grouchy, and I'm not. It's just that I'm completely thinking about the day and what I want to accomplish and how to do that. And then 20 minutes later, after I've kind of solved my own problems in my head, then if I get my cup of coffee, I can turn into smartass Corey. So it just depends on what time of day. And right now it's really early as I produce this video. So I'm in a different mood. And if I do one this afternoon after I get all my chores done, it might be more serious or more technical, or I might have another cup of coffee and be through my mind doing a smartass video, and I don't even do any advice or training at all. It's just you watch it and go, that was the dumbest video I've ever seen. Thank you, Corey. I can't get that 5 minutes back. So, but if you have a morning routine that somehow puts you in a good mood, or at least a positive mood, man, I would really do that. And like I said, I appreciate that everybody has a different life when they get up, and a different job, and a different health regimen, or maybe a different body, a different age. Everyone is different. They really are. And you really are. And I know I'm different as well. But morning routine sure is kind of nice, because if you're going to do something like LiveGood, by the time you start promoting it, if you can be in a positive mood, realize LiveGood, sure, the products are good. They're wholesale. I think that if people can afford to buy them and use them, I think they will have a better experience every 24 hours. One of my best friends, who is a pro bodybuilder, he's in the Hall of Fame. And he's always said, you know what, if you can, maybe stretch a little bit and exercise and take proper vitamins, minerals, and put some better food in your body, you're probably going to have a better experience the next 24 hours. It doesn't mean you're going to live to 90 or 100 and do jumping jacks and jump on a trampoline. But I believe that everybody that can not overeat and maybe stretch a little bit and maybe put some of the LiveGood products in their bodies, I really do think that the next 24 hours is probably going to be pretty damn good. So that's how I look at life. That's for sure at my age right now. I just want to have a really fun time today, even though I got a bunch of chores and shit to do. So get into a morning routine or an afternoon routine. But if you're going to go ready, set, go, and start promoting LiveGood on your lunch break at work, while your kids are at school, maybe at night while your family's watching a brand new movie, Iron Man Part 49, and you just go, okay, I'm going to go in the guest room that's my office, and I'm just going to spend the next hour or two and promote LiveGood and do everything I can to show a nice positive experience, because most people you're going to find that join, it's really not about the products. The pay is there. It's generated by a computer. It's not exciting. The computer tabulates it, and every Friday this company will put money in your pocket if you've earned it. But I think it's satisfying that when people do trust you and sign up in your group, it just tickles you pink. All of a sudden you have a pink hat on and a pink shirt and maybe pink underwear. But it's very satisfying when you have people come aboard. You've got your own ship and people are coming on your ship, and then they're going to destination LiveGood. And I think that is one of the most important things, when every day you see somebody maybe pre-enroll and then they accidentally and they actually get out their credit card and join for $9.95 a month, and then they want to be an affiliate for an extra $40 one-time fee. Man, isn't that awesome? When I say it out loud, it still gives me chills at how affordable this is. And so anyway, that's enough for now. I've got a lot of video out there about training for TikTok to Instagram. If you like to post on Facebook, if you don't mind talking to a webcam all day like I do, I get an idea. I stop what I'm doing, get myself a little drink. I write a couple notes. I look down, then I turn my webcam on, and I just start talking. It's so therapy to me. Make LiveGood entertaining, like a movie. I don't know what's on Netflix. I try to watch a couple series like Cobra Kai. I love Ozark, and then they took that off. I watched Florida Man. They're like little series. They're only like 30 minutes long. They go quick. But I do like short, little, quick, 30-minute fun things to take your mind off even LiveGood and in life in general. But I've conditioned myself that if I have an extra hour, I would rather just come and post about LiveGood. I really find this fun. It's almost like a radio show to me, except with a video camera on. So, all right. If you want to join LiveGood, you can always go to pleasewatchvideo.com. I bought that domain name. It just goes to the capture page of LiveGood. Put your name and email address in. You're not buying nothing. Watch a 6-minute video with our CEO, Ben, and he will just tell you about the products and the opportunity. And then at the end of the video, you either say, hey, Corey, nice meeting you. Goodbye. Maybe you buy some badass products, or maybe you want to rock and roll and make some money like I'm doing as an affiliate. So, all right, that's the choices. Pleasewatchvideo.com. It's right below this video. And my next video should be kind of where my finger is shaking. Is it on this side of my head or over here? I know there's usually 2 videos on the left side of my chubby cheeks, on both my chubby cheeks. So, all right, you guys take care. We'll see you next video.